Number 7. Underwater rivers. Underwater rivers are nearly impossible to believe until you see it. Created when a body of salt water rests beneath a body of fresh water, the movement of the salt water creates the visual effect we see when looking at a river. These are frequently seen along the coasts of Central America as well as in the underwater limestone caverns where fresh and salt water meet. Number 6. Green flash. When looking out over the ocean, a cool phenomenon can occur with the sun. At sunrise or sunset, there may be a few seconds where the sun flashes green. Known as the green flash, this is an interesting illusion created when the rays of the sun are separated out as it fades or comes into view. Typically, a green flash will last less than 5 seconds, so keep your eye out. Number 5. Bioluminescence. The further down into the ocean you go, the weirder life becomes. In places where the pressure is extremely high and the light levels are so low that our own eyes are useless, an entire world of bioluminescent creatures live, eat, and reproduce. The bioluminosity comes from special bacteria that live in the creature and provide it with a colorful display used to both ward off attackers and attract prey. Number 4. Maelstrom. When ocean currents come together in the right way, a truly bizarre sight can occur. Known also as a whirlpool, the maelstrom is a very powerful swirling body of water. Typically not an issue for larger crafts, smaller boats have to watch out for them as maelstroms can get large enough to sink them. Lasting for seconds or for hours, maelstroms can repeatedly occur in regions of the ocean where conditions are ideal for their formation, leading to their placement on many old sailing maps. Number 3. Brinacle. Looking like a tornado frozen in time, the brinacle is created when ice sheets form in the ocean. A tentacle of ice moves down from the ice sheet along a vertical shaft of cold water, eventually freezing to the floor of the ocean and spreading along the floor in a random direction. Beautiful and otherworldly, the brinacle is otherworldly. Number 2. Frost flowers. A frost flower is a delicate arrangement of ice crystals. When these occur on the ocean, it can look like tens of thousands of white flowers are blooming on the surface of the water. What is in fact happening is that the conditions are perfectly right both in the water and in the air to form the creation of ice crystals in the water. Building on existing ice crystals and expanding outward, the frost flowers take on the shapes of needles and leaves, resembling flowers. Number 1. Underwater crop circles. These complex patterns made from sand at the bottom of the ocean confused scientists for decades. Resembling crop circles, these underwater crop circles were found to be created by male pufferfish looking to attract a mate. Incredibly intricate and radiating out from a central point to form a circle, there is nothing else like it in the ocean. Subscribe for more.